Hey guys, welcome to Bodyworks Plus. So this is our current location, 525 Parkwood Avenue. And I think you guys know we've been in Charlotte for over 22 years. My background is in mechanical engineering, and again, our number one goal is family safety. So we're gonna go through the shop currently now, kind of show you where we're at now, and then we're gonna take a flight over to the new location, 216 West 24th Street. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to Bodyworks Plus, the new location. Hope you had a good flight over with the drone. I thought it'd be a great opportunity for us to just, really show you how close this new location is to our current one in NoDa. We hate to leave, but we've been there for 22 years, and the neighborhood was growing, so it was time to expand. And again, I know we put a couple of videos out, but this is really the next one in the series that kind of gives you a good idea of where we're at in the process. So I'm gonna show you around a little bit, give you an idea of where everything is. And then we've got some facade drawings that we're gonna upload to kind of show you what we're gonna make the front of the building look like. So guys, what we have, what you didn't see before, and we've made some really good progress here. This is gonna be the front offices here. We're gonna have, employee bathrooms up front here, parts office, and then Chris Smith, my production manager, is going to have his own office that has windows viewing the shop. We'll walk inside the offices here and kind of take a quick look. I'll describe that really fast, and then we'll walk around the other areas of the shop and kind of show you where we are with everything. Here in the front office area of the new facility, this is going to be the lobby area. Actually, where this plywood is here, there's going to be the main entrance. So you're going to enter into the office here. We're gonna have a lobby area here. My office is gonna be this corner, and we'll have a centrally located reception area. And again, Chris's office here will access both sides, customer bathrooms, and then the future plans here on the other side of this firewall here, we're gonna have it's gonna be a showroom. And we're planning on working with the city on the facade grants and doing glass roll-up doors here, so we'll be able to have a nice showroom for different cars in the process. So looking forward to that. All right, guys, welcome to the body area in the new Bodyworks Plus. So as you can see, this is an older 50s built building, and it's basically bow truss construction. Two similar buildings connected side by side. So in the body area, we're gonna have two car liner frame machines in this back corner here. And then as you can see, these openings right here on my right and then my left, where the walls are cut out, we're taking that whole wall section out. We did some pretty unique helical pier reinforcements in the floor to be able to support the weight of the roof line, so we can actually take that whole area out. So that'll give us a nice circular flow with the cars inside the shop. So again, this will be the body area, two frame machines, lifts, some floor lifts, and basically where all the magic happens with the safe quality repairs of your car. So from the body area, we're going to walk into the paint side, but I did want to show you in all these boxes here, we've got two new GFS downdraft state-of-the-art paint booths, and they're going to be set up. We are a PPG certified body shop, so we're going to use the latest in PPG paint products, including waterborne paint, which is, definitely less VOCs, and it's better for the environment. So we're looking forward to switching that paint. So we're gonna walk through to the other side here and kind of just look at where they're standing with the paint booths and the pits. It's a pretty intensive process to dig the pits, pour concrete. We've got soil testing that has to be done to be sure that we can support the concrete and the weight of the booths. So let's walk over here and take a look and see how they're coming. So we're just over at the paint side now. So we've kind of got the shop split into two halves, but this is the paint side. So we've got two brand new, awesome GFS paint booths coming in. And as you can see, there's two separate pits here. And this awesome gentleman, Larry Martin here, just been doing a great job of digging these pits and getting them squared away so we can actually pour the concrete and, you know, basically create airflow for the downdraft paint booths, which to me, they're, you know, state-of-the-art booths. They're gonna be set up for water, which is a little bit different airflow than what you would need for conventional solvents. But as you can see, this is a lot of work, takes a lot of time. But again, you know, my goal here was to really share with everybody out there really what it takes to put a body shop together and kind of give you a taste of the process and the construction and what we have to go through with the city permits, all these things. So one thing we're getting done tomorrow is these pits have to get soil tested to verify the strength of the supporting load, so we can actually determine, you know, what concrete and how much and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. We're gonna follow up with a few more. If you have any questions, you can reach us through our website, bodyworksplus.com. And again, you know, our whole goal in creating this environment in this new place is to take care of families and fix cars, you know, properly and safe. So thanks for watching. Look forward to showing you the next video and where we are in the process. So hopefully it'll be quite a bit further along next time we do one. So thanks a lot. See you guys soon.